Hey everyone, it's Mr. Lentz coming to you again through the power of the internet. Today I wanted to show you how to convert a Google Doc into a PDF, especially since for National History Day this year, many of you are going to have to save your Google documents, whether that be your process paper or your essay or your annotated bib. You have to save it as a PDF and submit it somewhere else. So this is a pretty simple task to do, and the steps remain the same whether or not you're in a Google Doc, a Google Slide, a Google Sheet, anything like that. So what you want to do is you want to have your desired document open, and then you go over here to the File button, and you scroll down to Download, and it'll give you the option to download it as a Microsoft Word document. You could save it. Some options like a Google Drawing will allow you to save it as a JPEG, which is an image file. But for the purposes of saving it as a PDF, you want to scroll down and select PDF. So once you click that, you'll get a little download icon like I did right there, and that's my PDF. So you can actually take that PDF and you can drag it into your Google Drive, um, or you can download it onto a flash drive, whatever you are comfortable doing with a file, and then you can upload that file into a website, into a another document as a hyperlink. There's plenty of things you could do with that, but that is how you download a document. You convert it to a PDF. So again, that is File, Download, PDF. Pretty simple. Okay, have a good day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.